Hey my people, today I want to show you how this designer was able to achieve this pattern of work. Alright, I would try and explain everything to you. Some things are not properly done here, but let me just show you how this is done so that you can do it by yourself. Now if you check this place, this part of the design, this part here, you will see that this line that is here is not proper. Alright, that's my one. Also, if you also check this part, you'll see that there's something here. Alright, so I just want to show you how this was achieved. Alright, now to get this done, the first thing first, alright, there is a line crossing this part. Alright, look at the line here. Then another one coming in like this. Alright, there are many ways we can do that. Alright, so in Pixel you can create any kind of shape you want. So if you want to create that kind of line now, you need first a very long rectangular shape like this. Okay, just like this. Alright, then you drag it here. Okay, then just add this curve like this. Okay, so let's stretch it out, put it like this. Then you can copy it. Alright, now you want to fix one here. Now this one is going to enter into this. So check what I'm going to do now. I'm going to rotate it. Are you seeing that now? So I'll position it like this here. Alright, so let me use another color so you've seen exactly what I'm doing. Okay, see that now? Then this one I'll just copy it again. Then I'll rotate it like this and put it here. Try and position it well. So let's rotate it. You see that now? So we just come here and then we merge everything together. Okay, so I have merged them. To merge, you highlight everything and then you use this function. This one here is to merge. So it has been merged, so we'll not get the color. I think it's black, but the black is not 100% black. Okay, it is 100% black. So after that, you just copy, and then I'll reduce it a little and then put so that one here. So just rotate it like this. Put that one here. So for this one, we can take out this part. Right, can take out this part. So we just fix it here like this. You see that? Alright, is that easy? Then this part here is just a white rectangular shape. It's not 100% white. So it's a gray. Alright, like this. So we'll now send it to the back. Yeah. You can see that now. So then the images, these images that are here, they are very, very easy. But let me show you how to create the shape, that circular shape. Now that shape you see there it consists of just only 2 circles. Okay, just 2 circles. Now this is the first circle. This is it, right? So go to shape, select circle. Okay, now the circle is going to be here like this. Alright, it's going to be a circle. That is the first circle. So let me use another color so that we'll see it very well. Now this circle, inside this circle there is another circle. Alright, so just copy it like this and add an outline to it. So let's say this outline is thick like this. I will make sure that it is at the middle. When I say at the middle, I mean this. Okay, let me bring it here so that we can see exactly what we're doing. Alright, so this circle, still reduce it. Alright, sorry, there's another circle. Alright, so we can just come here and we'll copy this. Alright, this one is another circle. Okay, so the outline is too big, so let me reduce it a little. So we're using 8. Alright, so after you're done with this outline, now let's position it. Okay, to make sure that everything is centralized. Now if you notice, you will see that there is a line. Alright, the line stopped E. Right, so you can move it up like this. You can move this here. still reduce it small. So the line stopped here. All right. So we'll just copy it. All right, I'll move this one here also. So make sure that it's in the middle. All right. Then the same thing you would do for the left and for the right. So I'm just going to copy this one here. I would copy, and then I'll move, and then I rotate 90 degrees. Then I would click till it gets to the middle. So make sure it's sitting at the inside this guy. The same thing you do. All right. So for these other ones, you just come here. All right. Just come here. Copy this. All right. We'll still move them. Oh. Right. So I just want to rotate it like this. Alright, so it's just going to be here, and then you just reduce it. Alright, so this one is one of it, just one. Now see what I'm going to do. I'm just going to push this here like this. Then make sure that it's sitting inside, touching the circle like this. Alright, then the same thing, I will come here and I'll copy it. Alright, then I'll move it down to this other part of it. Alright, so we'll just come here and then we'll rotate it, okay? Then you move again. Just make sure that it's touching the circle like this. Alright, so this is it, right? The whole cycle, we've done it. Now, if you notice, this part of the circle is cut out, but let me just show you exactly what to do now. The next thing you want to do now is to bring a shape. Let the shape cover all these guys like this. Then bring everything to the front, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring these, all of them, to the front. I think we should start with, okay, now bring this to the front, then we'll bring this to the front. You'll have to come back and bring all these guys again. So I'm bringing all these, I'm bringing all these lines to the front. All right, so this is what we have. Then you come over here and you would select all of them, including this rectangular shape. Then you merge them together. All right, when you merge them together, it means that they are now one, like this. So it means you can come over here now, erase the color. All right, so I will erase the colors. The white have gone out, so it's not leaving me with this guy here. So I can come over here and use eraser. So you have to zoom in like this. Use eraser to erase this one. So you do it carefully. So you have to zoom in very well. Erase this one. It's not needed according to the design. Alright, so if you can't see very well, you zoom in very well. So you erase all these guys. Okay. Okay, so I've erased it, right? So check and see what will happen. So that part is gone. So now we're left with this shape here like this. So this is a shape on its own. So you can even use it for subsequent of design that you want to do. So I can just crop it so that it's not taking so much space. So this is it. Alright, so now if I click on it, it means it can accept images. So that is, I can add image as a background to this design now. So this image now can be added. So all I need to do is to zoom it very well. Alright, then you click this guy here. Okay, so this another we can do it. Alright, now we can come here. Let's do, and this is another method. Click here, click on this, take out the this, then come over here, color, just make it white. All right, let's see. Then bring this one, bring this one to the front like this. All right, then make sure the background is also white. Okay, now see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring in this image right here, and I will select a circle. Right, like this. Then I'm going to put it here. Alright, so I'll bring this very shape here to the front. Alright, then I can bring this one back again to the front. Okay. Alright, so this shape right here, all we can do to it, we can crop it like this. We can crop it. So we have this. We can move it down. Okay, so this is what we have here. Alright, so the lady's picture can come over here. Where are thou? I think it's this one can come over here, right? Okay. And we have this star flying up and down here. Alright, and the lady's name here. Okay, so we can just use any decent font. Alright, so let me just use this. Alright, of course there's going to be happy birthday at the top there. So there's a slant word, alright, that's written here. I think it's long life and prosperity, blah 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 blah. So let's check it. So these stars are repeated here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So we'll just come here and then merge all of them together. Okay, just move it at the bottom there. All right, so the next thing now, let me just save this. Let's save this first. Now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to write here long life and prosperity. Then I'll write again enjoy your day. When you are writing, please avoid all these short forms of like this. No, write it full. Okay, so I'm just going to use a normal font like this. Okay, so make sure that it's just one line. Let me even break it here so that it's easy to crop. So just one line. So let the font, the text be black. Then it can be any color actually, sir. Then you can choose transparent and then save it. Right, so we've saved it. To come over here now, open the design again. Okay, open the design again, and then you can come click on this. Right, so this is it. So let's crop these. Let's take the full one hat. Then we'll first copy it. Okay, so this one is here. Then we can crop this one hat first. Right, then we'll come over here, change the color to gray. Right, then we can come to, so let me crop it very well because it's better. So let's crop it very well. So we can come over here now. How is it? Still reduce it. Still reduce this. It's too big. Reduce it. Okay. Then come over to perspective. Enable it and start moving it. So we can move it like this. So let it sit on the shape very well. Okay. So you see that now. I see that now. So that one is done. Alright, so the same thing you do for this other one. We can even, I don't think we can do that. Let me see. Copy, then crop. It's very better. It's better like this. So we can just crop this and enjoy your day. Alright, so we'll just put it here. So all we have to do is to reduce it and position it here. Reduce it, position it here. So we can just rotate it small like this. Okay. So this one can go out. Okay. Alright, so there is the happy birthday text on top here. So let's just type it, happy birthday. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. My name is Niyamoda. So whenever you open a text like this, ensure that you use this guy to open it very well. That is padding, you pad it out very well. Okay. Alright, so I hope you got value from watching this video. My name is Niyamoda and I will see you in another tutorial. Hola.